Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna tell you 20 things you can do when you're bored. So let's begin. First one is organize your room. Organizing your room will keep you engaged kahin na kahin, और दूसरा your mom will be super happy. So go do it. Also, second one is skincare. Try new masks and try new done and everything. Just try them all. Make a coffee mask and whatnot. You can do a lot when you're into skincare and everything. You can do a lot. Third one is arrange your jewelry or your cosmetics or your accessories. जैसे होता है चेन्स वेन सबकी ऐसी बिल्कुल एक के अंदर एक मिलेगी नहीं जब जाना होगा. सो गो अरेंज इट. यू कैन अरेंज इट एंड you can keep it अच्छे से in different shelves and everything, so you can arrange it. Fourth one is clean your camera roll, because you always have some images or videos that you want to delete it that comes in family groups, and you are like you want to clean it, you don't have time, so you have time now, go do it. Then fifth one is making new playlist and separate your playlist into English and Hindi, and you can listen to some songs, because listening songs is one thing that I do for the whole day, and I'm telling you पूरा दिन time pass कर सकते हो तुम गाने सुन के. गाने is something that you'll love, so go hear some songs and you can do it. Then sixth one is learn new choreographies, and for that you always have my channel. Go type on YouTube rhythm of dance and you'll see all of my videos, and you can learn new choreographies from them, and I'll love if you watch it. Also subscribe to that channel, free promotion. Then seventh is write your thoughts and in some journal or something, whatever you think is good for you. Like I have a 2021 ka journal, so I make a new one every year and I write it every day. Whatever happens throughout the day, I put all my thoughts into that thing in raat mein. ठीक है? So you can do that. Eighth one is learning new instrument if you have one at your home. Like I do have Casio, I have mouth organ, so I can do that, and I should actually shall do that from now. And next, watch a lot and lots of series. That is something which I do for 24 hours and not even sleep. I'm telling you, I don't sleep. I watch movies. I always do Netflix and chill. पूरा टाइम यही चलता है मेरा. So I'll make a separate video for this one, and I'll let you know some अच्छी series and that. 10th one, read Wattpad. I really don't know what Wattpad is, but my friend Michelle always says that she is a big fan of Wattpad, and she can pass half of the day in that, because I think वो ऐसा भी है. The thing is कि जो ज़्यादा रीडिंग करने वाले में interested है, they can go for it. 11th one is arrange your documents, because if you're in 10th or 12th, और वैसे तो कुछ भी class हो या even in college, you'll definitely need documents, and उस समय सब ऐसे हो जाता है, ये नहीं मिल रहा वो नहीं मिल रहा. So now you have time and you can arrange it and keep it in one file. Then next one, 12th one is doing research like I do. मेरे को अभी subject selection करना है, so I have to do it, because I don't have any other option. Once I take the subject, once I select it, I can't change it. So I do lots and lots of research on it, and मतलब like it's very definite कि हर age में आप जहाँ अभी हो, you need to think of your future, and you will definitely research about something, so you can do that. 13th one is make paintings, drawings, sketches. इसमें मैं बता रही हूँ 2-3 घंटे यूँ निकल जाएंगे, यूँ मतलब पता नहीं चलेगा, इतनी जल्दी टाइम निकलता है. So you can definitely do this. Then 14th one is learning how to cook and how to bake, and you can just cook new things and let your mom rest for a day and she'll be really happy if you cook. Then 15th one, if you know work. Sorry I'm saying this and I added it in a list, but you can definitely make scrunchies. Then 16th one is talk to your old friend and reconnect with them. Try to video call them like we do. मतलब मेरे ग्रुप में तो देखा ही होगा, व्लॉग में भी एक दो बार ऐसा हुआ है कि मैं वीडियो कॉल करती हूँ and everything, so you can do that. The 17th one is make new boards on Pinterest, save your things. Like मैंने बहुत पहले 1-2 साल पहले कुछ बहुत सुंदर सुंदर गाउन्स हो गए, then I was like oh I'll wear at my wedding and everything. 10 साल बाद की फ्यूचर की बात कर रही हूँ. But I did that and I have a lots of saved things, so you can go, like you can just make boards. And next 18th is trying photography. You can try a lot of photography. जैसे भैया और मैंने, हम जैसे लॉकडाउन में हमको रात में नींद नहीं आती थी, सो वी पूरी रात भर जागते रहते थे एंड देन सुबह उठ के छत पे जाते थे, वहाँ पूरा सनराइज़ का टाइम लैप्स बनाते थे 1 घंटे तक. सो वी वर लाइक दैट फोर्टी एट दैट टाइम. सो सॉरी. So now you can get, right? ऐसे कर सकते हो, trying new photographies and something new. Okay, 19th one is explore YouTube. You have a lots of things on YouTube. Like you can do कितना time pass, कितना सारा, and you can definitely watch my vlogs and my dance videos. Please, I request you, please. Also, subscribe to my channel. 20th one, and okay, this is the best one and the last one. If you have to do nothing out of all of these and you're like नहीं कुछ काम नहीं आ रहा है, क्या है ये, ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें करते हैं. So guys, you can always scroll Insta. Like Insta is something that you scroll, you'll get it, and you can do like पूरे 10,000 सालों का टाइम पास on Insta. Okay, so go watch some reels. Okay, and now I'll here end my vlog. Hope you like it and hope you got something जो आप लोग कर सकते हो. So now I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.